guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video is what's in my swim bag. Just for some context, I've been swimming since I was 2.5. Swim classes, swim team, lifeguarding, and swim instructor. Just for like you guys to gauge how long I've been swimming for. This backpack is amazing. This is the Speedo Teamster backpack. It cost me $69. I think it was $70 at the time. $70 plus shipping from Swimoutlet.com, and I don't even regret this purchase. Like, I've had it for 4 years, and the backpack has done what it's supposed to do. Like, I can use this not just for swimming but for travel, and like when I had like heavy books to carry around in college, I use this backpack as well, and it did what it's supposed to do. One thing that I absolutely love is that it has padding on the back. So on the back here it has padding for you to like so that your back doesn't get hurt. And then I feel like, I'm not really sure, but I feel like this pocket right here is for like boards. Like if you use a kickboard, I think. I'm not sure. But if that's the case, I'll be very mad because I used to carry around a board all the time. So I'd be very mad if I found out that was its purpose 4 years later. It has about 7 to 8 pockets in all. It has a laptop sleeve and a wet bag, but I would suggest not using the wet bag unless you have like a towel to absorb all the water, because even though it's a wet bag, if your swimsuit's not like squeezed out like all the way, or you're just lazy and you just want to throw it in your bag because you gotta go, make sure you have a towel. Make sure, because then the rest of your bag is gonna get wet. And if you happen to have a laptop in here, because it does have a laptop sleeve, that's it. That's it. Like, your whole bag will get wet. All right, so let's open up and see what's inside. So we're gonna start with this pocket over here. It's a really small pocket, and all that's really in it is whistles. I'm a lifeguard, so I always carry around whistles. Always bring 2 just in case. I usually have about 3, but my sister has one. She's a lifeguard now. And you always want to bring backups when it comes to swimming. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I always bring backups. This pocket right here is actually underneath the bag, so it sits on your back, and then this pocket goes underneath. It's a great pocket. It's a great addition. It has a mesh at the front, but then it has like the wet bag type material underneath. So it's filled with goggles. What swimmer doesn't have? This is not even all my goggles. Multiple goggles in their bag, and then I also use fins to practice, and I keep that under there. And usually I would place my fanny pack for there if I can fit it, but it's not with me today. Then you have this like small pocket. There's nothing should be in here, but I usually put hair ties, bobby pins, whatever comes out of my hair, or if I'm wearing jewelry and stuff, that goes in there. Just because I know it's gonna be there when I come back to it. And it's just an easy place for someone not to see if there is jewelry in there. Then right here, I have all my swim caps. Silicone, of course. Silicone is really great for people with really curly hair. It doesn't tug or pull like plastic caps do. And I always have backups because you never know when a cap can break. So I have one that was my work cap, and then I have practice caps and performance caps. My Nike checks over stripes every day, and then Jolyn I'm gonna talk about them a little bit later, but I love them so far. Okay, and I have a Jolyn cap. And then maybe I'll put like lotion in this pocket as well, or whatever I happen to need. All right, here comes the fun part, the biggest pocket. So the big pocket, it sits about here or a little bit deeper, and it fits like everything. All right, so first thing coming out is the Alley Bikini Bottom from Jolyn. As you can see, I haven't worn it yet. But what's really cool is that the tags are stickers. Yeah, that's super dope. But I haven't worn this yet. But the main reason why I bought it was because my coworkers said to do it. They were like, yo, Jolyn swimsuits really work well. They last for a long time. They are pricey, but it's worth it. So I was like, okay, let's give it a shot. And then I have the Fin Bikini Top in Peacock. So this is the color Peacock. Oh, I promise to drop all the links to everything that I pull out of my backpack in the description box below. And then I have the onesie in the lavender color. It's a tie back, and it's a cute color. It's a really cute color, and this is a Jolyn as well. Then I just have like a regular bikini bottom. I think I got this from Swimoutlet. It's a colorful zebra print. I don't remember how long ago, but it's really used for water polo. But I just use it under my swimsuit so I can get traction. Then I have another pair of goggles. I always have another pair of goggles just in case someone asks me to use it and I don't want to give up one of my own. And also I think it's weird, but I've never actually given it up. So it's just in my backpack. All right, this is the Dolfin Uglies. Got this off of Swimoutlet. I really like these too. They're cute. They're supposedly called Dolfin Uglies, and they're supposed to be ugly, but I think honestly they're cute. This one's really cute. I had this for a while. I mean, some of them are actually not that cute though, so it depends. This one, I don't even remember the name, but I did get it off of Swimoutlet, and this needs to go. This one's kind of like worn out. Not even kind of. It's worn out, but it was really cute. It's green. It's just green. I have a lifeguard shirt in here. I always have a guard shirt or two, just in case I leave one at home. Something just happens, or if I have to actually like jump in. I wouldn't want to sit in wet clothes, so I have an extra guard shirt here. Swim spray. So I have eczema, and when I'm in the chlorine for like too many hours, my skin just is like, bro, what are you doing? So I bought this to try it out to see how it would work. It did a really decent job until I don't know what happened. Like maybe it's the chemicals the product that's in it. I can't spray it out anymore, unfortunately. And there's a ton of product in here, so I'm mad. But it did the job. So I would recommend, if you suffer from eczema, dry skin, or you get itchy skin after being in the chlorine for hours, get you some swim spray. And I don't remember how much it was, but usually swimmers know that most of the products that we buy cost a lot of money. Okay, this is like the off-brand skin calming body wash. It's oatmeal. They compare it to Aveeno Skin Relief body wash. I don't even remember how much I bought this for. It was literally just because my skin was on fire and I was like, I need something to calm my skin down. It did the job for the most part. And then I think my skin just like realized, hey, I know what this is. so it stopped working. That's kind of like my life right now when it comes to skin. Try Swim's body wash. This is super expensive. It's super expensive. It removes chlorine and like salt water and odor. It restores, hydrates, and nourishes dry skin. It relieves symptoms of eczema. So you know, I was like, I need this. And then it has like vitamin E and some other like stuff. It smells like citrus, grape, mango. But what I hate about it, as you can see, it's very runny. So like I would open it, and then sometimes half the product came out, and I was like, bruh. Because it's so much money, you know. You care more about things that cost so much more money. But it works. I think next time, this was a small bottle. I think they have a bigger sized bottle. So I think I would get more of this. But it's a gel though, so maybe that's why it's very runny. But still, I'm like half and half. I really wish it didn't cost so much. I forgot how much it cost, but I just remember it was a lot. Like I remember being at the checkout being like, do I really need this? Do I really need this? But sometimes you gotta sacrifice. You have to make sacrifices. All right. Lotion, Camille Rose's sweet cream. I can never pronounce the first word. But this is a really thick lotion. I would use this during the winter. When it's cold outside, because you know, dry skin and cold. I would use this during the winter. During the summer, I would use lighter things like Dream Cream by Lush. Dream Cream by Lush, or like some body butter that I may have made, or Trader Joe's has an avocado cucumber one, and that one's really light, and I use that for the summer as well. And that one holds me down. All right, and then all swimmers must have conditioner in their bag. This one is Carol's daughter Lisa's hair elixir. I just happened to buy it, and it works really, really great. I put this under my cap, like on my hair, under my cap, and then later rinse it out with more conditioner. That's why there's like not enough left, not enough to be honest left. But this, or just conditioner in general, this is good. I would also recommend getting like a cheap conditioner that's really hydrating to the hair as well. Alrighty, let's see what else. Why all this stuff's in my backpack. Aha. Pre-swimming lotion. This joint is from it's actually called Dermaswim. This joint, as you can see, I've used it a lot. Only issue with this, it doesn't hold you down. Like I was in the pool for maybe about like 5 hours, 6 hours teaching classes, and man, at one point I used to get really, really itchy. I mean, it did me pretty well, but there were some times where I just got super itchy. But Dermaswim, and I think I don't feel anything else, so that's it. And then what's not listed is a towel. I don't have a towel in here, just because my old job had towels for me to use, and I don't really, who's going to a pool right now? Not I. So there's no towel in here, but I do use a towel as well. And that's it. I promise to link everything that's in my swim bag that is online for purchase in the description box below. If you're a swimmer, or you know someone that swims, or you're a parent, or I don't know, if you just enjoy water, or you know someone that does, please recommend this video to them. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend. Thanks. See you later.